Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to solve Codebreaker and Geometry Dash. So step number one is to go to the secret vault area in Geometry Dash. So from here you can find it by clicking on the lock icon in the settings or options menu. So in here you just have to enter the vault to start solving puzzles. Next up is navigate to the Chamber of Time. So a secret area with time themed puzzles. So this in here you just have to look for the glowing portal and clock elements. So this is where the advanced puzzles awaits. Next up is in the code input field, you just have to type Codebreaker without quotes. So this is one of the secret codes that unlocks special rewards. So the mysterious keeper will react to valid codes. Next up is some codes require solving cryptic symbol puzzles. So make sure that you pay attention to hints and clues displayed on the screen and decode the symbols to find additional secret codes. And lastly is claim your secret reward. So after entering the correct code, you will unlock an exclusive secret icon. So the treasure chest opens to reveal your reward. And congratulations, this is a code breaker. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!